Look outside.
Alright, is that enough?
Dude, that's too much. Alright.
Wait,
Hold on.
Turn towards it over here.
what do I gotta do?
Smells good. All it's gotta do
Keep
is
in your
eat
mouth.
all of it. Yeah, and keep it in your mouth.
Turn this.
Don't laugh.
Swallow it. Swallow it.
Oh, wait.
That's gross. That is sick.
Gross.
You blacks ruin everything. Ew.
It's stuck! It's like dirt! Ugh.
Does it taste good? Alright, we got.
She's coming?
Oh shit, we got. Help me! Andrew, help me clean this sink. Help me clean this sink. I'm trying.